Today I'm showing you how to make this incredible maple bourbon pecan pie. It is holiday time, so we are making pies, and this maple bourbon pecan pie, my family loves, my friends love. I have to make it every year because it is just that good. The full written recipe is in the description, so don't you worry, you guys are gonna love this recipe.
We start out with granulated sugar and light corn syrup that we bring to a boil in a saucepan. You don't need to cook this to a certain temperature, just once it reaches a boil, you're good to go. So in a large bowl, you have some eggs and egg yolks that you want to whisk to break up and combine, and then in a thin, steady, constant stream, just gently drizzle that corn syrup mixture into the eggs, constantly whisking to avoid cooking them. Once that's all added, we're going to go in with the flavorings. So we have some vanilla extract, of course, also adding in a pinch of salt, some maple syrup, use a good quality here, and bourbon, and some unsalted butter that is softened just so it combines easier. Whisk that to combine, and then you want to take one pie crust recipe, par bake it, so that's blind bake it with the beans, and then take it out of the oven. Just give it that extra 20 minutes. Put it on a pan, and then I like to pour the pecans into the pie crust rather than mixing in with the filling. That way, if I have just a little bit extra filling, I don't make it overflow. Pour that delicious filling we just made on top of the pecans. I like to put it on a sheet pan just in case it bubbles over. You want to bake it for around 65 to 70 minutes or until completely set. Let it cool completely, and there you have it, delicious maple bourbon pecan pie.
Now this is a pie that is worth your time and effort because the flavor is unbelievable. This one smells so good. It just came out of the oven about 10 minutes ago, so I can't cut into it yet, but trust and believe, I cannot wait to devour it. Once again, full written recipe is in the description, so go check that out along with the links to my other social media. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.